I am having the worst. Okay, so I'm having the worst time with this. It's always green. Okay, so I'm having the worst time building this thumbnail. No ideas on what. Let me know down below what would you suggest for this. Hey guys, so it is literally just 1 month before my birthday. Just submitted my last writing assignment. Okay y'all, so I'm officially having like the worst day. Originally it says unlimited attempts allowed, right? 40 points. I'm like, okay, I'll get 5 extra points and I'll get an A. I get so many points deducted. Like, what the heck is going on?